This is straight out of the bag. Straight out of the bag. Wait a minute. Hey guys, welcome back to Breezy's Puffs. If you are new here, my name is Brianna. I make natural hair content, wig content, lifestyle content. I make videos about things that I like. Mainly natural hair, but I dabble here and there. If you are new here and you like this video, make sure you subscribe, stick around, join the fam. And if you're already subscribed and you've been around for a while, I love y'all. Thank y'all for sticking around with me. So today I'm going to be doing a wig review of a viral wig that's actually went viral on TikTok, and I'm really excited. This wig is from the brand Gorgeous Wigs, y'all, and my box got damaged in the mail, but can we still talk about how cute this box is? Look at the holographic vibes. Like, I am here for it. I love that. That is adorable. And the wig that I'm gonna be reviewing today is called the Curly Shag Wig Style with Wispy headband. And you can use my coupon code Breezy for 17% off of this wig. Now, let's get into it. Actually, I'm not gonna show y'all the wig yet. Hold on. So actually, they also sent me this little bag in the box. This comes with every single wig, which I absolutely love. Absolutely, I made a new word. I love is holographic. It also matches the box, y'all. It comes with an extra band, like the band that goes on the wig. It comes with wig caps, one of which I am wearing. It comes with bobby pins. It even comes with a wig. It even comes with an edge brush, y'all. It comes with some cute sectioning clips for sections. It comes with a tweezer, even though you're not gonna be tweezing or doing your edges because this wig is a throw and go wig because it has bangs, y'all. So I just took the wig out of the bag, and this is what she is looking like. Look at that curl pattern, y'all. That is so cute. And this is the wig construction. So it has one of these bands which helps keep it on your head, which I absolutely love. Like, I don't have to worry about this wig going anywhere and flying off my head or anything. It also has a clip in the back along with two clips in the front, and there's no lace because, again, it got a bang. It has a bang. So this wig is advertised to be a throw and go, a throw on and go, throw on and go wig. You should be able to throw it on and like literally walk out the door in 2 seconds. This is also 100% virgin. It's a very dense wig. It's all natural hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw it on. I had some twists in my hair that all I did was throw it in some ponytails and put my wig cap on. That took like 2 seconds. And now I'm gonna put this on my head. And I have a big head, so we'll see if it's big head friendly. You know when lip gloss, you know, gets stuck in the hair? Wait, whoa, hold on a second. I'm starting to sweat. This is straight out of the bag. Straight out of the bag. Wait a minute. Like, I saw all the viral TikToks and I was like, you know, they probably had to do some stuff to get it to look that way, but like, who is she? Wait. And what I love about this wig is that there is a curl literally from root to tip. You know, like them wigs that you get, like them cheap wigs where it's like straight and then there's like a curl? Like, no, this is a curl from root to tip, and that's like what gives it such a natural looking texture. Like, all right, so I'm gonna start to style it now. I haven't done anything. I don't even know what I want to do to it because it's like perfect. I think the one thing that I could do is kind of separate out the bangs a little bit so you don't get this like choppy look, you know what I'm saying, so it looks more natural. So I'm just gonna go ahead and comb out the bangs a bit and see what that does. And so the bangs were a little long, so all I did to adjust it is just kind of move it back a little bit. which was super easy. And the wig does not move. I don't feel like it's gonna fly off my head. I feel like I could get on a roller coaster right now and be perfectly fine. All right, so I like that look better with the bang. You don't see as much of the clumped together hair, you know what I'm trying to say? And I'm also just gonna kind of comb through some of the hair at the roots to get a little bit more, you know, some volume, because y'all know I love some big hair. And as like a type 4 girl, it's nice to be able to switch it up every now and then. Like, this is such an easy protective style. You don't have to worry about like your edges and things of that nature. Sorry if the lighting's a little wonky, y'all. Have the sun peeking in and there's really nothing I can do about that, and I'm like kind of sweating, but that's okay. But I'm basically combing through the curls to give it a bigger appearance. Like, I like the curls obviously being defined, but I feel that undefined curls for me, it just looks a bit more like me, you know, like a bit more natural. Of course, if you want to, you can completely define the curls with some mousse and wear it like that, but I like volume. Guys, look at how this does not fall off my head. Like, my hair, it don't move. Look at the sun wanting to be my best friend right now. If you guys want this wig, because I know you do at this point, use code BREEZY for 17% off at checkout. I have some clips, so I'm gonna mess around with them, cause why not? Okay, this is definitely giving me little girl vibes, but if you like that vibe, it's something you could do. Like for the younger crowd, you know? That's kind of cute. I don't know. How do you guys feel about it? Let me know in the comments. Here's one clip. That's cute. But yeah, y'all, there's a lot you could do with this hair. You could like, if you wanted to, you could do like a pineapple type deal if you had a headband, obviously to hide the back. Like something like that would be really cute. But y'all, this is just a really cute wig and it's so easy. Like, I don't know what to tell y'all. It's really cute and I really love it. And if y'all want to get it, go ahead and get it. Use my coupon code, get that 17% off. And yeah, make sure you follow my social media accounts, Instagram, TikTok. But yeah, y'all, that's all I have for you today. If you like this video and you're new, make sure you subscribe. I know I already said that, but you know, just make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment down below on what you thought. If you're gonna buy this wig, if you love it, if you hate it, sorry. If you, I'm sorry, I can't get over how cute this is. Anyways, y'all, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.